this is not the answer. I need to pack it in. I can't pull your heart together with just my voice alone. A thousand shards of glass I came to meet you in. You cut the piece out of me, and as you ripped it all apart, that's when I turned to watch you. And there's a light in you in dark, I saw you turn to shadow. If you would salvage some part of you that once knew love, but I'm losing this, and I'm losing you. I'm running out of time and run from places that you never see. Oh, I gotta save my blood from all that you've broken. Like all these pieces of me. It's too late now to stop the process. This was your choice, you let it in. This double life you lead.